It's another weekday ending in Y, in the English language, obviously. That means that it's time for another case unboxing and review from Tech Travel Geeks. This is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of an ultra-thin matte hard phone case for the Google Pixel 4a, as purchased on AliExpress. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so I purchased this case, it's a fairly simple case, for my Google Pixel 4a on AliExpress, and it was surprisingly affordable at £2.20. So that includes free shipping if you're happy to wait a week or two for that to be delivered. This case offers, as we can see, some decent protection without adding to the bulk of that petite smartphone that is the Google Pixel 4a. So we've taken the device out of its packaging, very simple as we saw, and we're just going to clip it in, buttons first, to the case. That's it, very simple. So it's very slimline, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the Google Pixel 4a. It has cutouts for the power button and volume button. It doesn't have any cutouts at the bottom, which is great for accessing the USB Type-C port and having audio coming out of the speakers. And at the top, there's no need for a cutout, but there is a slight adjustment in the case to allow for a wider 3.5mm audio jack or Courage port jack to be inserted. So very slim, light, well-finished case for the Google Pixel 4a. And for £2.20, I think that's pretty much a bargain, if you can be patient enough to wait for that to be delivered. Now, the fingerprint cutout is great. It's well centered, unlike other cases we've seen recently. It has really easy access to it, so you can access it without really looking at your phone. You get to see that wonderful minty green power button on the Google Pixel 4a in the cutout there, and that works great, no issues there. Let's just double check the volume buttons. Yep, they work fine up and down. So everything is as expected on the Google Pixel 4a with this ultra-thin matte hard phone case. So we'll leave you at that. There isn't much clearance whilst putting it down on the surface. I think that's the actual screen touching the surface. So there's no clearance for the screen itself, but the back is well protected, and more importantly, those corners seem to be as well. So for £2.20, I think that's a good buy from AliExpress. We'll put the link in the description. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Our full review of the Google Pixel 4a is coming soon to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye from us.